Hey, welcome back to our channel, you wonderful people. We're so glad you're here. I'm Roxanne with Baker's Acres Homestead. And in a recent video earlier this year, I talked about learning about foraging for some wild stuff and learning how to use that and what they're good for. Well, I've been reading up recently about elderberries and lamb's quarter and Echinacea, and we actually have quite a few of that around here. And today we are actually going to go and get some Echinacea that's pretty close by to our place. So we're gonna go get that and pick it, and then dry the leaves to make an herb, or the petals of the flower, to make an herb with it. I already got all of these.
Woohoo!
Yay! There's all kinds down through there that we went and harvested from. Harvested kind of late, so some of them are kind of really wilty and not too good, but we're really getting some of the better looking ones that we can dry and try to use.
They're good for sicknesses.
Huh?
I said they're good for sicknesses.
They're good for a lot of stuff. They're good for colds and flus and tummy aches and toothaches and headaches and yeah, they're just really good for a lot of things. Now, you don't want to take them on a regular basis because your body will get used to it and it won't work so good when you do need it. So the best time to use it is when you first start feeling the signs of something, like when you first start feeling the signs of a headache, or you first start feeling the signs of a tummy ache, or a cold or something like that, and then you start to make like a tea or something like that out of it, and take it then for about 5 to 10 days, and that should help. We're back now, so I'm just gonna get ready to get this Echinacea ready to start drying, and all I'm going to do is set the flowers on like a newspaper or paper towel, or a towel, something that it can sit on and absorb any moisture on a flat surface like a table or a countertop, and let it dry out for a few days, and then I can put it in an airtight container and store it away for usage when we need it. Make some teas or a paste. You can make a paste out of the dried herbs also, and put it on like bug bites or any spots that may be painful, like joint pain, like arthritis, or you can also use it as a soak, like in a bath. You can like make a tea with it and put it in your bath water and soak in it, and it helps with different skin conditions like psoriasis or eczema or different things like that also. It's really got a lot of benefits and a lot of uses. At the end of this video, I will put up a couple of pictures of some of the benefits of Echinacea. Well guys, thanks for stopping by, and God bless until next time.